Welcome to my channel. This is Mallu Cracker with you. Today we are going to checking out Easthouse Scan Logic Basic Fingerprint Safe Lock from USA. In Europe, it's called securam. This lock is coming with RF sensor, so it reads an enrolled fingerprint in 1 second from any direction. Let's open it up. Lock. Some screws for fitting. The dial. These are the instructions. Let's check it out how it's work. First of all, we can connect this lock. There is one latch here. Pull it out the tray. Put 9-volt battery. Push it inside. Close it. This is ready to use. Put the password directly. Password is correct. You will get green light here. It's open now. For 6 seconds. Now it's closed. There is 2 security level here. In security level 1, we can open with fingerprint or password number. In security level 2, you have to put the password and fingerprint together only. It will open. Let's check it out. How to change the password and how to enroll the fingerprint. For change the number, enter 0 6 times, then the existing code, then new number. You will get 1 beep, again new number. You will get 2 beep and green light. So it's changed. Let's check it with new number. 6 5 4 3 2 1. It's open. Let's change it again. 0 6 times. So let's change it to 1 6 times. So the number is 6 times 1. 3 4 5 6. It's open. Nice lock. Let's check it out how to enroll the fingerprint. Put the existing code. Press plus button. You'll get 1 beep. Put your finger. 1 2 3 4. After 4 times you will get 2 beep and green light. So it's enrolled. Let's check it out with fingerprint. How to open it. This lock is working with the RF sensor, so it will work it on any direction. It's open. You can add more user with the manager code. For safety concern, I am not revealing more function in this log. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about this log, product link in the description below.